Mtazamaji, karibu kwa hivi sasa. Nataka tuende katika mazungumzo nikiwa na ndugu zangu kina Paul Mugambi na Mazao Rocha, lakini kabla tuzungumze nao na tuwasalimie, tuwakaribishe, asubuhi tumeweza kupata chapisho katika gazeti rasmi la kiserikali kwamba leo hii Senate itaweza kuyaweka mengine pembeni, wazungumzie hoja moja ya dharura na ya kimsingi ambayo ni hoja ya kutokuwa na imani na naibu wa rais Rigathi Gachagua baada ya kile ambacho kilifanyika pale bungeni hapo jana. Kumbuka wabunge 282 waliafiki kwamba naibu wa rais hastahili kushikilia wadhifa ambao anaushikilia kwa sasa, huko 44 ndio kidogo walimuunga mkono. Kumbuka ni idadi kubwa zaidi ya kura katika hoja yote bungeni kuweza kushuhudiwa. Hivyo basi kinachosubiriwa hivi sasa ni je, Senate watafanya lipi? Kumbuka kama wametenga mambo mengine pembeni, kweli hii hoja ni ya dharura na ya umuhimu kwa taifa letu la Kenya. Tuende Senate tusikie kinachoendelea.
27(4), 73(1)A and 2B, 75(1)C and 129(2) of the Constitution, and Articles 147(1) as read together with Article 131(2)C and D of the Constitution. 2. Gross violation of Articles 147(1) and 152(1) of the Constitution by undermining the President and the Cabinet and the effective discharge of the national government's executive mandate. Number 3, 152(1) of the Constitution by undermining the President and the Cabinet and the effective discharge of the national government's executive mandate. Number 3, gross violation of Article 6(2), 10(2)A, 174, 186(1), 189(1) and the fourth schedule to the Constitution by undermining devolution. 4. Gross violation of Article 161 of the Constitution on the institutional and decisional independence of judges. Number 5. Gross violation of Articles 3(1) and 148(5)A of the Constitution on the fidelity to the oath of office and allegiance. Number 6, serious reasons to believe that His Excellency the Deputy President has committed crimes under Section 13(1)A and 62 of the National Cohesion and Integration Act. Number 7, serious reasons to believe that His Excellency the Deputy President has committed gross economic crimes under Section 45(1), 46, 47(a)(3) and 48(1) of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act and Sections 2 of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act. Number 8, serious reasons to believe that His Excellency the Deputy President has committed crimes by continuously misleading members of the public through false, malicious, divisive and insightful remarks that are contrary to the provisions of Section 132 of the Penal Code and Section 29 of the Leadership and Integrity Act. Number 9, gross misconduct that is incompatible with the high calling and dignified status of the office of the Deputy President and a member of the Cabinet and the National Security Council. His Excellency the Deputy President has publicly attacked and undermined the work of the National Security Intelligence Service and its officers. Number 10, gross misconduct by openly or publicly insubordinating the President, who is the head of state and government. And lastly, gross misconduct by persistently bullying state and public officers. Honorable Senators, you may walk in and take a seat. Senator Okoli, take your seat. Honorable Senators, annexed to the message conveying the said resolution of the National Assembly are the following documents. 1, copy of the notice of special motion and affidavit of the Honorable Ekomas Mwenge Mutuse, OGW MP, dated the 26th of September 2024 and received on the 27th of September 2024, running from page 40 to 42. 2. Electronic evidence relating to the special motion contained in a flash disk. Order papers for the 1st of October 2024. Communication from the Chair, number 046 of 2024, issued on Tuesday, the 1st of October 2024. Communication from the Chair, number 047 of 2024, issued on Tuesday, the 1st of October 2024. Certified Hansard and votes and proceedings of 1st of October 2024. Communication from the Chair, number 048 of 2024, issued on the 2nd of October 2024. Letters of appointment of advocates, Swanya and Company Advocates for His Excellency the Deputy President, Dastan Omari Advocates for Morani Manufacturers Limited. Letter to His Excellency the Deputy President forwarding the notice of motion. Affidavit of service on His Excellency the Deputy President. Order paper for 2nd of October 2024. Certified Hansard and votes and proceedings for the 2nd of October 2024. Public participation advertisement of the 2nd of October 2024 for Daily Nation newspaper, Standard newspaper, and the Star newspaper. Public participation advertisement of the 3rd of October 2024 for the Daily Nation newspaper, Standard newspaper, Star newspaper, and Taifa Leo. Public views template, English and Swahili. Memo to constituency county office managers dated the 4th of October 2024. Public participation advertisement for the 4th of October 2024 in the Daily Nation newspaper, Standard newspaper, and the Star newspaper. Order issued by the High Court sitting at Kerugoya on Friday, the 4th of October 2024. A press statement by the Clerk of the National Assembly on the extension of public participation issued on the 4th of October 2024. Public participation advertisement of 5th of October 2024 placed on the Standard newspaper and the Nation newspaper. Public participation report tabled on the 8th of October 2024. Response to the notice of special motion from His Excellency the Deputy President received on the 8th of October 2024 at 4 p.m. Electronic evidence by His Excellency the Deputy President relating to the special motion contained in a flash disk. Order paper for the 8th of October 2024. Communication from the Chair, number 049 of 2024, issued on the 8th of October 2024, and a certified Hansard and votes and proceedings for 8th of October 2024. Honorable Senators, kindly work and take your seats. Honorable Senators, this impeachment motion is unique and unprecedented, as it is the first ever to propose the removal from office by impeachment of a Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. This moment calls for deep reflection on the critical responsibility of the Senate in investigating such proposal for removal of state officers from office. Senator Eddy, be attentive. The impeachment process is a fundamental tool of legislative oversight and a crucial aspect of the constitutional mechanism for checks and balances. The process is invoked by legislatures and in particular, in our case, Parliament and county assemblies as a safeguard for good governance and integrity in public service. Now, honorable senators, as you may well be aware, the Senate has been entrusted by the Constitution with a singular role to sit as a quasi-judicial body to investigate any proposed removal from office by impeachment of the President, Deputy President, county governors, and deputy county governors, and to make a determination on the alleged infractions of the Constitution and other laws. As this matter comes before you, I cannot underscore enough the immense public interest that this matter has elicited, and for good reason. This is yet another opportunity for the Senate to demonstrate its fidelity to the Constitution and to live up to its reputation. It is therefore behoves the Senate as the trial chamber to maintain integrity and impartiality in this administration of justice. and to make a determination on this matter purely based on its merits. Honorable Senators, in terms of the way forward, the manner of disposing of this impeachment motion will not be significantly different from how the Senate has previously investigated and determined the proposed removal from office by impeachment of county governors and deputy county governors. Standing Order 78.1 of the Senate, standing orders, as read together with Articles 152 and 145(3)(b) of the Constitution, provide the Senate with two options on how to proceed with this matter. Senate may, 1, by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter, or 2, investigate the matter in plenary. In this regard, the Senate Majority Leader will, at an appointed time during this sitting, give a notice of motion and move a motion for the establishment of a special committee. Should the motion be carried, the special committee will investigate the matter and report to the Senate on whether it finds the particulars of the allegations against the Deputy President to have been substantiated. In the event that the motion for the establishment of a special committee does not pass, the Senate will proceed to investigate the matter in plenary. Consequently, I will appoint a date for the commencement of the hearing of the evidence for purposes of the investigation. Now, Honourable Senators, I wish to emphasize that the debate on the motion for establishment of a special committee shall be confined to the matter of the motion. That is, whether or not to establish the special committee. It shall be improper and out of order to debate the substance of the impeachment, its merits, propriety, prudence, or constitutionality, or legality of the process that have preceded the submission of the matter to the Senate. In the meantime, and during the pendence of this impeachment process in the Senate, I wish to caution honourable senators to desist from publicly commenting on the merits or demerits of the impeachment motion. Doing so will amount to anticipation of debate, which is an infringement of Standing Order 99 of the Senate Standing Orders. Honourable senators, to make it clear, it shall constitute gross disorderly conduct within the meaning of Standing Order 122 for a senator to make comments, whether written or spoken, in relation to the conduct of the Deputy President or the impeachment process, which is outside the confines of the impeachment proceedings, as such comments may prejudice the just outcome of this matter. As I conclude, I urge all honourable senators to stay true to the oath of office and exercise the highest level of responsibility on this particular matter. I thank you. Now, honourable senators, a supplementary order paper has been circulated. I believe it's been posted to your gadgets. You may now abandon the order paper that we have been using earlier on and switch to the new order paper. Clerk, you may now proceed to call the next order.